Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a power supply upgrade for some popular Dell systems. Specifically, we're looking at the LXun HU365EM-00, a 365W power supply designed as a compatible replacement for several Dell Optiplex and Precision models. This PSU is intended as a drop-in replacement for systems like the Dell Optiplex 3020, 7020, 9020, XE2, and 3670, as well as the Precision 3620, T3620, T1700, and T20. It's also designed to replace the D365EM-00 and DPS 365CB power supplies and carries part numbers like 7VK45, 07VK45, 0T1M43, T1M43, and RVTHD. So, if you're experiencing power issues with any of these systems or simply need a replacement, this could be a viable option. The LXun HU365EM-00 boasts an input of 100-240V at 5A and a maximum DC output of 365W. Connector-wise, it features 3 8-pin connectors and 1 4-pin connector. This configuration should match the original power supplies in the listed Dell models, ensuring a straightforward installation process. One of the key selling points is its compatibility. Finding the right power supply for proprietary systems like Dell's can sometimes be a headache, so having a readily available replacement option is definitely a plus. LXun emphasizes that this is a 100% new part and that each unit is rigorously tested before shipping. They also offer a 1-year warranty, which provides peace of mind. If you encounter any issues or are not completely satisfied, they offer a replacement or a full refund. Now, while this power supply seems promising on paper, it's important to consider a few factors before making a purchase. First, ensure that the connector configuration matches your specific Dell model. While it's designed to be compatible with the listed systems, there might be slight variations depending on the configuration. Second, consider your power requirements. A 365W power supply is sufficient for most standard configurations of the listed Dell systems. However, if you've upgraded your system with a more power-hungry graphics card or other components, you might need a higher wattage power supply. Finally, while LXun offers a 1-year warranty, it's always a good idea to research the brand and read reviews from other users to get a sense of their overall reliability and customer support. In conclusion, the LXun HU365EM-00 appears to be a solid replacement option for Dell Optiplex and Precision systems experiencing power supply issues. Its compatibility, warranty, and tested quality make it a contender. Just be sure to double-check the connector configuration and your system's power requirements before making a purchase. Thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.